catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
Why do I feel like I look like the white? One episode of The Office. I'm just eating my morning chocolate before I head off to work. I'm absolutely stoked because I just have to finish this shift and then I get the whole weekend off, and it just feels so good. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm in good spirits today. I'm excited to just come home and then be able to like relax, and I get to eat a chocolate. Anyway, let's go, and I will be back in a few hours.
Today is December 10th. We're in double digits.
I know, isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Tonight's a little bit different. Unfortunately, Michaela has a migraine.
Yeah.
We actually got home from work and she had a shower and then hopped into bed, and then when I got out of the shower, I went to give her a bit of a cuddle and we both fell asleep for a while.
It's not the productive evening I was expecting, but sometimes it's just like that.
Yeah.
And yeah, tonight instead.
Yeah, so the plan tonight, we're just going to do, so we do something, we're going to do the face masks tonight and just hop in bed and relax. So we're going to draw the 10th and we're going to swap it. So whenever we pull, unless this is face mask, whenever we pull face masks, we'll do this instead when we're feeling better.
Yeah. Oh, funny is I've just decided right now is the best time to do bonstructing. Bonstructing is where they get a box and they do construction on it by ripping it in pieces.
Like eating it.
Yeah. Hopefully this is face mask. That would be pretty elite if it was.
Alright, we got Krispy Kreme.
Oh.
That works well because we're not going to go out and get it anyway.
True.
So, we still need to know where face masks is. But that's alright. So Krispy Kreme is
stocked.
Yeah, is basically, we get the Christmas specials. There's 4 of them, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know if we get all 4 or we just get 2 of them.
Depends what they have in stock, because the Krispy Kreme Christmas donuts always sell out so quickly.
Well, how long do you reckon they'll be good in the fridge for, or do we need them fresh?
Oh no, I think we get them fresh.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to face masks tonight because I have like the next 4 days off work. I've just washed my hair and I feel like the cooling will be like very nice on my like eye migraine situation. So do you want to actually get them? We always get the Christmas.
Where are they?
Just down there by that plant pot.
Sure.
We always get the Christmas Kmart face masks, and they come in like the most random designs. Like last year, Jordan got a Santa one.
That was so funny.
Yeah. What did I get?
I
was a pudding.
A pudding. This year we got the same one, so we're both going to have the same.
Guys, it's going to be gingerbread. There was a koala this year, and there was, I think, maybe Santa again, but a different design. So it says, cleanse your face and pat dry. I did that before. Remove the sheet and unfold. Place across your face and relax for 15 to 20 minutes and rub in any essence in a gentle circular motion.
Nice.
Yeah, this is supposed to be, I don't know, it just says gingerbread sheet mask containing coconut oil. Hopefully that does not clog my pores. The last thing I need is more breakouts on top of a migraine.
Well, I mean, they're only, how much are they, like $5?
Oh, I don't even think they're that expensive.
They're
cheap. So cheap. But they actually, I do remember them being pretty good, to be fair.
Let's do this quick because the battery light's flashing.
Oh no, it's all going on.
This one's yours.
Oh. Yeah, I always put mine at the front.
Oh, okay. Am I ready?
Yeah, I think it is your turn.
Alright, the 10th says, not much to find in there, huh? Is it going to be empty? Bummer. Because the cacao industry is unequally divided. So is our calendar. Because we got 2 last night. And then it says find out more here. There's a QR code.
Okay.
Which, if you want to find out, I'll take a photo and I'll put it up.
Ooh,
What are we
there's
on?
something in there.
That's probably an empty wrapper.
No tiny here. Huh. Oh, no tiny here, but hey, don't eat the messenger. Want to know why this one's empty? Find number 10 on the left. I actually really love that.
Oh, so we should, we open it and then, because a couple of them, because I like how it's a hint. Alright, well.
No chocolate tonight.
No chocolate tonight.
That's okay.
That's alright. We weren't quite quick enough and the battery died. We'll give the bunnies their banana and then hop into bed with some face masks and go to sleep. That is a quick wrap on day 10.
Yeah, sorry that it's very short. Past me, future me watching this or whoever else, but we also didn't get a chance to mold our candles, so we'll have to do that tomorrow.
Yes, that's right, they're hardened.
They have hardened. The green one looks a little dodge.
A little bit gooey.
Alrighty. Time to transform into gingerbread man. Oh, smells like coconut, which is not really what I want right now. Like, very fragrant. I'm gonna make my migraine worse, to be fair.
Well, I was just thinking of gingerbread, man. I took some of our gingerbread biscuits to work and it was nice to have them during the day. A little treat. I can't. I feel like I'm tearing the mask in half.
Oh no, I dropped it. That's right in the middle as well.
Okay. Didn't get anything in my mouth. It's good.
That's good.
Alright, it is wet.
It is
It's
wet.
sopping wet. Alright, hydrate me, baby.
Which side is it?
Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. What's the Shrek one?
I don't know.
What does he say? I can't remember.
It's something dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why do I feel like I look like Dwight? That one episode of The Office.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh, it's like shocking I'm like relaxed and it's like a bloody cold plunge.
Oh, this is gonna be great on my eye.
Hello, mate. I'm a gingerbread man. What are you gonna do?
Oh my god, this is...
Why have we got our septums pierced?
What? These always look so atrociously bad.
They also tuck up the nose bit. It's really annoying. You have to unfold it. I think.
The eye holes are like...
Hello, bunnies.
What is going on? Why are my eye holes so close together?
One size fits all.
I can't see properly.
What is the piercing thing?
I think it's his smiley face.
Oh, it is. That's creepy.
Oh, he looks so bad.
Good for yourself.
You actually look better than I do.
I can't. Oh, I can just look at you.
Why are your eyes not too...
I don't know, you look scary. Is my nose good?
It's not covering your entire nose.
Is it open? Like, is it... Cool.
Cool. Alright, well, we're gonna fall asleep. Well, not fall asleep. We're gonna lay down with this on. And that's our day 10. That was fun though. I love the face mask night.
Yeah.
It's just such a chill, easy one to do.
The annoying thing with face masks, if you're a guy, is it doesn't stick to your beard, so it's just loose.
Like fluffy.
Yeah. Anyway, what's that? Where are you saying good night, but?
Yeah, good night again.
Good night again. How am I gonna turn this off? I'm gonna have to wash my hands. Bye.